Hi, I'm Rav Asriel Dimosongso, and I heard you want to learn about physics. I have to say, it's a good choice.
Physics is the science of how the world the whole universe works.
And I don't know if you have noticed, but the world I live in, things tend to move around a lot. So that's what we're going to study, the science of motion. And it turns out to be incredibly useful for figuring out things like where you are or where you have been or how you're moving through the world.
What is motion? Motion is the act of moving. Everything moves fast or slow. Motion happened all around us. There are things that never seem to stop moving. Some move once in a great while. Good day, and for today's video, I will share to you the experiment video of a ball rolling on the table. But first, I will share to you the Galileo's quoted about the saying it is surely harmful to souls to make it a heresy to believe what is proved. In this experiment, we have basketball and marble. Basically, basketball has air inside and marble had no air inside. We can see that the marble fall faster than basketball. These two different ball explains the Galileo's views of motion. Galileo believed that the only reason heavy objects fall faster is because air resistance slows down lighter objects. For the next observation, we have basketball with lighter and heavier weight. These two different ball explains the Aristotle's view of motion. Aristotle says that the heavier things are the quicker they will fall.
Today, motion is widely based on Newton's law of motion, but Newton is not the first scientist who studied motion. Galileo Galilei was an Italian scientist who first explained the concept of motion. He observed the vertical motion, horizontal motion, and projectile motion.
According to Galileo's view of motion, projectile motion is an object is influenced by the downward force of gravity. While vertical motion, if two objects of different weight are dropped from a height, both of them will hit the ground at the same time. And the horizontal motion, as if there is no interference, a moving object will keep moving in a straight line forever. To show to you the horizontal motion, here's I prepared to you 4 kinds of ball with its different size and weight. I start rolling the marble, then the ping pong ball, then the mini ball, and the basketball. It seems that when I push and let it roll, and obviously it just rolls along the table until it gets to the edge. Once it gets to the edge, the table is no longer supporting, and then roll up to the edge. While it's in the free flight, it's a projectile. Gravity is the only thing acting on it. And you could roll it all various speeds if you rolled it really fast. It might go away over here as it came down. All in all, the horizontal motion as it leaves the tabletop doesn't affect the fall. It falls a certain distance toward the table. What was happened to the ball if rolling on the table? According to Galileo, he thought that the ball rolling on the table would remain moving with a constant velocity. If the friction between the table and the ball would be removed, today we call this a property of an object to resist its motion or its state of at rest, which is called inertia.